Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can create a QR code in Canva for free. So let's get started. First, open Canva and create a new design. You can choose custom size and set the document size to something like 500 by 500 pixels, so you have a square space to work with. After setting the size, click Create Design. Once your blank design opens, look at the menu on the left side and scroll down until you find the Apps section. Click on Apps to open all the available tools. Now use the search bar and type QR code, then press Enter. You will see the QR code app appear at the top. Click on it to open the QR code generator inside Canva. Next, you need to enter the website link that you want the QR code to open. Simply copy the URL of your website and paste it into the field provided in Canva. After pasting the link, click on Generate Code. Canva will instantly create a QR code that links directly to your website. You can now resize the QR code and place it anywhere on your design so it fits perfectly on the screen or within your project. Once everything looks good, click on Share at the top right corner and choose Download. Then download the file as a PNG image. Now, whenever someone scans this QR code with their phone, it will automatically open the website you added. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.